Guys, today I want to do a quick review of Ally Bank. Now I realize there's a lot of banks out there, and Ally's one you hear a lot about. Now it may not have the highest current rate for online savings, but right now, while some of the other banks are quickly lowering their rates, Ally has pretty much stayed the same, offering a 1.5% on your money for their online savings. Now, as I said, not the highest, but also been holding on when a lot of the other ones have dropped. For example, my Wealthfront has dropped all the way down to 0.35% from a high starting of 2.57. So anyway, I thought we'd talk about some of the services and take a quick look at all the things that Ally does offer. Now, the first thing you can see is they have the online savings. They do offer IRAs. They offer CDs. They do have Ally Invest, and we're going to talk about that after. They also offer loans for homes and cars. All right, let's take a look real quick at the rate. So you see, as I said, the online savings rate is 1.5%. Home loans, you have to go a little bit in depth there to find what they got. Let's take a look at the banking rates today. So we're starting with CDs, and you see a 5-year CD is only 1.6 right now, and that's for all tiers. 5,000 all the way up to over 25,000. If you do a 3-year, it's 1.55. 18-month is 1.5. So basically the same money you're getting. They also have a no penalty CD, which is 1.4 for less than 5,000, 1.45 for over 5,000, and it's 1.5 if you put in 25,000. Now what you could do with that is, because you can break that with no problem, if that savings rate did go down from 1.5, your money would be locked in at that rate, and you could get it out when you needed it. So kind of a safety net, if you will. We look at the savings and checking. The interest checking, now the interest here is minimal. If you have less than $15,000 daily balance, you're going to get 0.1%. So that's not great. But if you have over 15,000 and you use this checking account, you can get a 0.5%, 0.50%. They also have a money market account available, which is nice because they issue you a MasterCard debit card, and that's giving a rate of 0.75% for all 3 tiers. So not too bad. In their Iras, it's the same rates on CDs, basically, you guys. You can do the online savings or a CD. Now, the difference being that because it is an IRA, you're not going to get the tax on the interest that you would in a normal taxable account. As far as home loans, if we take a look at that, you say buying a home. Home loan, easy as getting online and filling out the process. It says you can be pre-approved in as little as 3 minutes. They also offer a refinancing option, which is sort of the same thing. Might give you the ability to lower some payments, or if you like, to a shorter term as I did, so you can pay that loan off faster. The other thing is you could also do a home equity line and take some cash out if you needed it. All right, let's take a look at the Ally Invest page. Full disclosure, you guys, I do have an Ally Invest account now. It's a small part of my thing, but when they first started, I used Vanguard, and Vanguard for individual stock trades at that time was $7 per trade. When Ally Invest started, it was $3.95. They've both subsequently become free for the trades, but I still have all the accounts. And Ally Invest, there's a couple different ways. You can do self-directed trading. So if you like picking your own stocks or ETFs, you can do that. And as you see, I said stocks and ETF trades are free. They also have options trading with no commission, but they do have a 50-cent contract fee. They also offer managed portfolios, so sort of robo-advisor, but you can sort of pick how you like that to work. And that can start with as low as $100. There's no advisory fee, no annual charges, or rebalancing fees, and 30% of your portfolio is going to be set aside in cash to sort of buffer against ups and downs in the market. The portfolios they offer, if you are a socially responsible investor and you want to do sustainable countries, energy efficient companies, or environmentally friendly, That's an option. They do have a tax optimized option, which is going to be a tax that minimizes the gains and dividends paid out so that you're not getting taxed. They have what they call their core, which is a highly diversified domestic and international. They also got some fixed income instruments in there, and you can adjust that based on your level of aggressiveness or conservativeness in your percentage of stocks and bonds. They also do have an income portfolio, which is going to be your higher dividend yield stocks and probably a higher percentage of bonds, so a little bit safer income producing than some of the others. On their trading platform, okay, you guys, to give you an example of what the website looks like, their dashboard, and this is my dashboard here, but we'll just take a look at it real quick. Shows your holdings that you have. You can set up a watch list to watch other stocks or ETFs that you're interested in, and it's going to show what the last price was, the bid ask, the volume that's being traded. It also gives you a little quick mark. You can take any. This has Apple, but let's take a look and say, let's compare that to Bank of America, for example. So you can see the difference in your compare line. As you can see, yesterday it started and kind of went down, then it ended on a little bit of an up note. The other thing you do is you can expand that distance and see how long you're looking at. You're looking at about a month there. And this video is being filmed on Sunday, so the stock market is closed. However, the nice thing about this is when you're on this page and the stock market is open, you have real-time updating. And take a look at your holdings. You can get a better breakdown of what you have as far as your holdings in each one. One thing it shows, if you got a D, it shows you have an upcoming dividend date and when that will be paid. Simple thing, if you want to buy, just click on the thing, go to the trade button, and it brings up whether you want. You say, okay, I want to buy. I want to buy 20. I want to buy a limit order. And then you can say, okay, based on the bid ask, put in your limit price. You can either go for a day or until it sells. And off you go, hit the button, and the trade is done. Really nice, easy platform to work with, you guys. In addition to the other services we've already talked about, I think Ally is a good option for banking and a nice option for people who are interested in doing a little bit of easy directed trading online. Remember that 1.50% online savings could change at any time. With the Fed lowering the interest rate multiple times already this year, luckily Ally didn't jump on the bandwagon as everybody else did and close their rate out immediately. But that could change. If you see it in the future, your rates may be different. Overall, I've been with Ally for about 8 years, you guys, and have been very, very happy with their service. Usually, if I'm online, I have a question, the instant chat will come up. And if I need to call someone, usually the wait times are 3 to 4 minutes. And you're actually getting a person, which is very, very helpful. Hope you guys appreciated this review of Ally. What banks do you guys use? Is there other ones out there that you prefer? If so, leave them in the comments. If you're new to the channel and you're not already subscribed, you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell. You get notified each time I make a video, and we'll see you again soon. All right, thanks a lot.